Take a multimeter and move it to resistance mode. It shows by ohm symbol. Take the positive terminal of the multimeter and connect it to the positive lead of the controller. Take the negative terminal of multimeter and check each phase wire of the controller. Once you connect to the phase wires, you can see that it shows 5 mega ohms. If it's above 7 kilo ohms, it's a good resistance. And after checking for yellow and blue, it shows 5 mega ohms, which means for positive, the resistance is good. Now let's check the negative terminal. Connect the multimeter positive to the negative terminal of the controller and do the same thing with all three phase wires. Here you can see it shows 6.9 kilo ohms, which is close to 7 kilo ohms. For all three phase wires, it shows 7 kilo ohms, which means for negative there is good resistance. Now let's check if there is a short circuit in the transistors. To check that, select continuity mode. You can see here when we touch positive and negative leads, the light blinks and multimeter beeps. Connect the positive lead of the multimeter to positive of controller, and with the negative terminal of the multimeter, check each of the phase wire. We don't hear any beep or the light blinks. It means it's not a short circuit. Repeat it for negative terminal and check all three phase wires. Upon checking, we can see that there is no short circuit. This means the controller is perfectly good. If either of the test cases failed, then there is an issue with your controller. In future videos, we will fix a broken controller. So for more, keep subscribing and like this video.